This is for Year 10 Methods Pathways. We'll look at exercise 3.3, question 11 and 12. So question 11, we're just trying to find which statement is true for matrix A, which is a 2 by 2 square matrix. So is A singular matrix? Singular just means whether matrix A has an inverse. We determine whether something has an inverse by finding the determinant. So the determinant of A equals 5 times 1 minus 3 times 2. Which equals -1, so it does have an inverse, so that's not true. So determinant A does not equal 0, and inverse does exist, so we can strike out A, C, and D. Since A is a 2 by 2, it can be multiplied by a 2 by n matrix, because if we have a 2 by 2, we need to multiply by a 2 by something for it to be multipliable, because the inner numbers need to be the same, or the columns in this first matrix need to match the rows in the second matrix. So that's true. E is not true because in order to add matrices together, they both need to be the same dimension. So n can't be any number, it has to be a 2 by 2. N only has to be 2, so that's not true. Okay. Question 12 is a bit involved because you're going to figure out each of the options. So this is saying determinant of A is less than determinant of B. Det A is given by 1 times -1 minus 2 times 1. That equals -1 minus 2, which is -3. Det B equals -1 times 1 minus 1 times 2. -1 minus 2 equals -3, so that's not true. One's not bigger than the other, they're the same. Inverse of A equals inverse of B. We'll quickly find the inverse of A, because we've already got det A. Swap the diagonals. -1, 1, change the sign of the other diagonals. Inverse of B, 1 on the determinant, and then swap diagonals. 1, -1, and change the sign of the other diagonals. As you can see, they're not the same. AB is a multiple of the identity, so A times B, A times B, let's check, -1 plus 1, 0, 2 plus 1 is 3, -2 minus 1 is -3, 4 minus 1 is 3. That's clearly not a multiple of the identity. Multiples of identity, so if I like 3 times identity, you'll get something like this. You get these two parts being 0, and these two parts being the same number, and clearly that's not that, so that's not true. AB equals BA. Let's quickly do this. AB. Okay, AB, let's find out that's A, that's B. -1, -1, -1 plus 1, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. -3 and 3. Okay, BA is given by -1, 2, 1, 1, multiplied by 1, 1, 2, -1. Let's work it out. So that's -1 plus 2, which is 1. Oh no, hang on. -1 plus 4, so which is 3. -1, -2 is -3. As we can see, it's not going to be the same. Like I can tell just by doing the two elements. So that's going to be true. A squared equals B squared. So A squared 1, 1, 2, -1. Multiply by itself. So we've got 3, 0, 0, and we've got 3. B squared is -2, -1, 2, 1, 1, -1, 2, 1, 1. So that equals 3, 0, 0, 3. So E is your answer. So hopefully that helps with answer the questions. Question 12 was definitely a lot longer. I'm thinking this is more multiple choice question because if you do by hand, it will take forever to do that single question. Hopefully,